So Khaleesi's pretty good at staying still, so I can do a bucket or I can do a cup, and she knows how to put her head back. She's 3 years old. The baby, on the other hand, it's a crying fit. Thank you, little chinch. Then we're gonna start with the shampoo. I like Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. It smells so good. This is how much I use to start. And I'll start from the top of her head and work my way down. And I'll run my fingers through, kind of rake my fingers through. So I'm also doing a little finger detangling, making sure I get it in her scalp. Massage it in. Sometimes I get a little more water, get some lather going. And I always do a second set for the bottom of her hair. I'll come in through the bottom. Thank you, my heart. Then I give her a little scalp massage. I don't want her to have an experience like we see back in the day with our moms where they're yanking our hair, they're pulling it, telling us to stay still. I want her to have a good time. I want to have a good time. I want us both to have an enjoyable experience and have a nice little wash session. Who wouldn't love getting a little scalp massage every couple days? And with her hair, I wash it maybe twice a week. I used to do it once a week to keep the natural oils in her hair, but she's getting older, she's playing outside more, she's getting dirty, sweaty, so now I do about twice a week. You're doing really good. Put your head back. Good, baby. Try to be as careful as I can, not getting anything in her eyes, but also getting all of the product out. Massage it through. This is my favorite part of this one. I'm sure she's having a nice time. Her little sister is such a good girl. She's just playing with her toys. You can see the no bubbles, no residue. You want some bubbles in the water? Nice and clean. Her scalp is nice and clean. Then we're gonna do conditioner. I stick with Shea Moisture. What I like to do also is switch up their products every month or two, so their hair doesn't get used to it. I used to do that as a kid myself, and I saw really good results with my hair. So same process from top to bottom. Ooh, bubbles.
The water's cleaning the bubbles.
I like the bubbles. And I'll go from the bottom. Rake it through. show a wash and go on Khaleesi's hair. As you can see, she has a lot of hair. It's thick, it's curly. She's a mixed baby, so she's gonna have a bit of a different texture. I'm gonna show you what products we use, and then in the next video, I'm gonna show you a how-to on corn rolling her hair. Let's get started.